This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming power and connectivity so the device can register. First, make sure your Wi-Fi band and signal are adequate. Nest often prefers strong 4 GHz coverage. If hardwiring, shut off breaker and prep wires. If battery, fully charge before slotting in. Next, open the Google Home app and sign in with the account you want associated with the camera. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and location permissions so Setup can discover and configure the doorbell automatically. You'll now add the doorbell to your home network and physically install it. Use the Google Home app to scan the QR code on the back of the unit. Listen for the chime and watch the LED to confirm pairing. Once paired, position the bracket and use an angled mount if you need a better field of view. Secure the unit and weatherproofing before restoring power. Then configure detection zones, face recognition, motion sensitivity, and do not disturb or scheduling, so alerts match your routine and reduce false positives. You'll finish by verifying every feature works as expected. Test the live view and two-way talk, press the button to ensure notifications appear, and adjust speaker and mic levels for clear conversation. Make sure event history and subscription settings are enabled if you want cloud recordings, and consider local backup if supported. If the device goes offline, reboot your router, power cycle the doorbell, and confirm your Wi-Fi password and firmware are current. If problems persist, rerun Setup in the app to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.